Impact Report, anticipated 35% shift in trade dynamics by 2025. Date of report, January 23, 2025. Executive Summary. The anticipated 35% shift in trade dynamics by 2025 is projected to profoundly impact the manufacturing, technology, and agriculture sectors. This shift is influenced by economic factors, policy changes, and advancements in technology. Insights from leading industry analysts including Deloitte and J.P. Morgan indicate that while opportunities for growth are emerging, significant challenges remain. Manufacturing sector overview. The manufacturing sector is expected to rebound in 2025 with a projected 4.2% increase in overall revenues and a 5.2% rise in capital expenditures. Deloitte attributes this recovery to easing inflation, stabilization of supply chains, and strategic investments in advanced technologies like AI and automation. Despite these optimistic projections, manufacturers face challenges such as a persistent skills gap and rising production costs. Key drivers of growth. 1. Nearshoring and reshoring. Companies are prioritizing domestic production to enhance supply chain resilience and stimulate regional economic growth. 2. Technological investments. Manufacturers are increasingly adopting generative AI and advanced analytics to optimize operations. Over 55% of manufacturers are leveraging generative AI tools, indicating a significant trend towards digital transformation. 3. Government policies. Initiatives like the Inflation Reduction Act are spurring investments in clean technologies, which are expected to drive capital spending. Challenges. Skills gap. Nearly 60% of manufacturers cite difficulties in attracting and retaining employees as a major challenge. Rising costs. While inflation has eased, the costs of raw materials, energy, and labor remain high. Geopolitical risks. Ongoing geopolitical tensions may disrupt supply chains and trade dynamics, potentially impacting manufacturing operations. Technology sector insights. The technology sector is witnessing a robust integration of AI and advanced analytics within manufacturing. Companies are focusing on data quality management as nearly 70% of manufacturers cite data quality as a significant obstacle in AI implementation. Innovations driving change. Generative AI utilization. Manufacturers are utilizing generative AI for customer service enhancements and product design innovations. The focus is shifting towards targeted high ROI investments in AI technologies. Digital transformation. 98% of surveyed manufacturers have initiated digital transformation efforts, with cloud computing, AI, and 5G technologies being prioritized. Agriculture sector implications. While specific details on the agriculture sector were less emphasized, the anticipated economic recovery and technological advancements in manufacturing are expected to have ripple effects on agricultural productivity. Increased consumer demand for durable goods and clean technologies could spur agricultural innovation, particularly in sustainable practices and technologies. Trends in agriculture. Sustainable practices. There is a growing emphasis on sustainable agricultural practices driven by technological advancements and consumer preferences for eco-friendly products. Technological integration. The agriculture sector may benefit from the technological innovations emerging in the manufacturing sector, leading to improved productivity and efficiency. Common themes across sectors. 1. Growth projections. A significant rebound in the manufacturing sector by 2025 is expected, supported by technological investments and improved economic conditions. 2. Challenges. The skills gap and rising production costs are prevalent issues across all sectors, highlighting the need for workforce development and strategic planning. 3. Technological integration. The integration of AI and advanced technologies is a unifying theme, indicating a collective movement towards digital transformation across industries. Timeline of events. 2022 to 2023, the manufacturing sector faced challenges due to aggressive monetary policy tightening aimed at combating inflation. Late 2024, the Federal Reserve began to lower interest rates, setting the stage for a potential recovery. 2025 projections anticipated growth in manufacturing revenues and capital expenditures alongside increased investment in clean technology and advanced manufacturing practices. Conclusion: the anticipated shift in trade dynamics by 2025 is expected to create both opportunities and challenges across the manufacturing, technology, and agriculture sectors. As companies navigate a complex landscape of economic recovery, technological integration, and labor market adjustments, the focus on resilience and innovation will be paramount. Industry stakeholders must remain agile, leveraging technological advancements and workforce development to optimize operations and drive growth in this evolving landscape. This report synthesizes key insights and projections regarding the anticipated changes in trade dynamics and their potential impacts on various sectors, providing a comprehensive overview for stakeholders and decision-makers. The anticipated 35% shift in trade dynamics by 2025 will have profound implications across various sectors, notably manufacturing, technology, and agriculture. The impacts are driven by economic factors, policy changes, and technological advancements, leading to both opportunities and challenges. Manufacturing sector. The U.S. manufacturing sector is predicted to rebound significantly, with overall revenues expected to increase by 4.2% and capital expenditures by 5.2%. This rebound comes after a challenging period characterized by inflation, supply chain disruptions, and aggressive monetary policy. Key contributors to the anticipated recovery include: 1. Nearshoring and reshoring. Many manufacturers are relocating production closer to home, enhancing supply chain resilience and regional economic growth. This trend counters the previous reliance on overseas production, which has been vulnerable to global disruptions. 2. Technological investments. Manufacturers are increasingly investing in advanced technologies like AI, automation, and digital twins. Over 55% of manufacturers are already utilizing generative AI, with expectations for further integration into operations to optimize efficiency and improve customer service. 3. Easing economic conditions. The Federal Reserve's decision to lower interest rates in late 2024 is expected to stimulate investment and consumer spending, potentially leading to increased demand for manufactured goods. Despite this optimism, challenges persist, including a skills gap in the labor market, rising production costs, and geopolitical risks that could affect supply chains. Manufacturers are also grappling with the need for workforce development to meet future demands, as nearly 60% cite difficulty in attracting and retaining skilled employees. Technology sector. The technology sector is witnessing a robust integration of AI and advanced analytics in manufacturing processes. The successful implementation of these technologies hinges on data management, with nearly 70% of manufacturers identifying data quality as a significant barrier to effective AI utilization. Key trends include: 1. Generative AI adoption. Manufacturers are increasingly leveraging generative AI to enhance customer experiences and optimize operations. This trend reflects a broader shift toward digital transformation strategies that prioritize high ROI investments. 2. Data management focus. As companies ramp up AI adoption, there is a concurrent emphasis on improving data lifecycle management to ensure high-quality data is available for AI applications. This shift is crucial for overcoming current challenges related to data quality and integration. Agriculture sector. While less detailed in the sources, the agriculture sector is expected to benefit indirectly from the anticipated growth in manufacturing, particularly in the adoption of clean technologies and advanced manufacturing practices. Increased consumer demand for durable goods and innovations in sustainable agricultural practices may emerge as key trends. Key common points across sectors. 1. Growth projections. All sources indicate a significant rebound in manufacturing driven by technological investments and improved economic conditions. 2. Challenges. There is a prevailing acknowledgement of ongoing challenges such as the labor skills gap and rising production costs, necessitating a focus on workforce development. 3. Technological integration. The integration of AI and advanced technologies is a central theme, highlighting a collective movement toward digital transformation across sectors. Differences between sources. Deloitte emphasizes the manufacturing sector's recovery and technological integration, while J.P. Morgan provides a broader economic outlook that includes potential volatility due to geopolitical risks and policy uncertainties. The varying metrics and projections reflect different analytical approaches, with each source contributing unique insights into the anticipated shifts. Counterintuitive insights. 1. Labor shortages amid economic recovery. Despite positive growth projections, manufacturers face a paradox where demand for skilled labor outpaces supply, leading to potential shortages even as the sector grows. This suggests that economic recovery does not necessarily equate to an abundance of qualified workers. 2. AI implementation challenges. While manufacturers are eager to adopt AI technologies, the overwhelming majority face significant data quality issues that impede successful implementation. This highlights that enthusiasm for technological advancement must be matched with foundational improvements in data management. 3. Nearshoring dynamics. The shift towards nearshoring, often seen as a solution to global supply chain vulnerabilities, may also introduce new challenges related to labor costs and local market dynamics that could offset some of the anticipated benefits. 4. Clean technology adoption versus costs. The commitment to clean technology manufacturing is high, however. The associated green premium for these products may deter customers during economic uncertainty, indicating that environmental initiatives must also consider economic viability. 5. Geopolitical risks versus domestic resilience. While nearshoring aims to strengthen supply chains, geopolitical tensions could still disrupt local supply chains, creating a false sense of security about domestic production capabilities. In summary, the anticipated 35% shift in trade dynamics will profoundly reshape the manufacturing, technology, and agriculture sectors by 2025. While growth prospects are promising, the interplay of technological advancements, labor market challenges, and geopolitical uncertainties will significantly influence how these sectors navigate their transformations. The report on the anticipated 35% shift in trade dynamics by 2025 highlights significant developments across the manufacturing, technology, and agriculture sectors. While many key points may draw attention, several important elements that are often overlooked merit further exploration due to their potential long-term implications. 1. Nearshoring and reshoring strategies. Significance. The shift towards nearshoring and reshoring in the manufacturing sector is not just a reaction to recent supply chain disruptions, but represents a fundamental change in how companies are thinking about their supply chains. This strategy enhances supply chain resilience and stimulates local economies, which is critical in an era marked by geopolitical tensions and trade uncertainties. As companies relocate production closer to their customer bases, it can lead to job creation in the U.S. and a reduction in reliance on overseas manufacturing. Overlooked aspect. Many reports emphasize the immediate benefits of nearshoring: shorter lead times and reduced shipping costs. However, the broader economic implications, such as the impact on local employment, community development, and potential skill-building initiatives, are often underexamined. The long-term sustainability of this shift hinges on how well local labor markets can adapt and how effectively companies can invest in workforce development. 2. The role of data quality in AI integration. Significance. The successful adoption of AI, particularly generative AI in manufacturing, is heavily dependent on data quality. Nearly 70% of manufacturers have identified data challenges, such as quality contextualization and validation, as significant barriers to AI implementation. This highlights the need for robust data management strategies that can support technological advancements. Overlooked aspect. While discussions around AI often focus on its potential to transform operations, the foundational role of data management is frequently minimized. Companies that invest in improving data quality and management processes may not only enhance their AI capabilities but also gain a competitive advantage. This aspect is crucial as manufacturers increasingly rely on data-driven decisions, making it imperative to prioritize data governance and quality assurance in their digital transformation initiatives. 3. The importance of workforce development. Significance. The manufacturing sector faces a pronounced skills gap with a projected 1.9 million jobs unfilled in the next decade if talent challenges are not addressed. The emphasis on workforce development, including upskilling and adapting to new technologies like AI, is critical for ensuring that the industry has access to the skilled labor it needs for future growth. Overlooked aspect. While many reports touch on workforce challenges, the strategies for addressing these gaps, such as partnerships with educational institutions, government training programs, and the integration of advanced workforce management tools, are often under-discussed. Companies that proactively engage in workforce development will not only mitigate the skills gap but also improve employee retention and satisfaction, ultimately contributing to a more resilient manufacturing ecosystem. 4. Supply chain digitalization. Significance. The report underscores the importance of digital tools in enhancing supply chain efficiency and resilience. As manufacturers invest in supply chain planning software, they can better manage disruptions and optimize costs. The emphasis on digitalization reflects a broader trend toward smart operations that leverage advanced technologies to improve decision-making and operational efficiency. Overlooked aspect. The shift towards digitalization is often viewed through the lens of immediate operational benefits. However, the long-term strategic advantages, such as enhanced agility, improved risk management capabilities, and the ability to leverage big data for predictive analytics, are frequently overlooked. Manufacturers that fully embrace digital transformation will position themselves for success in a rapidly evolving market landscape. 5. Clean technology manufacturing trends. Significance. The report notes a significant commitment to clean technology and decarbonization efforts within the manufacturing sector. This commitment is driven by both customer demand for lower emission products and regulatory pressures, indicating a transformative shift towards sustainability that aligns with broader global objectives. Overlooked aspect. While many discussions focus on the challenges of transitioning to clean technologies, the potential for innovation and new market opportunities is often understated. Companies that lead in clean technology manufacturing could not only meet regulatory requirements but also capitalize on emerging markets for sustainable products. The foresight to invest in clean technologies can distinguish forward-thinking manufacturers from their competitors in an increasingly eco-conscious consumer landscape. 6. Geopolitical risks and economic volatility. Significance. The report emphasizes the potential for geopolitical risks and macroeconomic volatility to influence trade dynamics and manufacturing stability. This context is critical as manufacturers must navigate a complex landscape shaped by international relations, trade policies, and economic conditions. Overlooked aspect. While the immediate risks associated with geopolitical tensions are acknowledged, the strategic implications for long-term planning are often neglected. Manufacturers need to develop contingency plans and diversify their supply chains to mitigate these risks effectively. Understanding the geopolitical landscape and crafting agile strategies will be essential for navigating future uncertainties and maintaining operational resilience. Conclusion. The anticipated shift in trade dynamics by 2025 presents a complex interplay of opportunities and challenges for the manufacturing, technology, and agriculture sectors. By focusing on often overlooked aspects such as the importance of workforce development, the foundational role of data quality and AI implementation, and the strategic implications of geopolitical risks, stakeholders can better prepare for the transformative changes on the horizon. Addressing these areas proactively can lead to a more resilient and innovative manufacturing landscape, ready to thrive in the face of evolving global dynamics. 1. Projected growth in manufacturing sector. The anticipated 35% shift in trade dynamics is expected to drive significant recovery in the U.S. manufacturing sector by 2025, with projections indicating a 4.2% increase in overall revenues and a 5.2% rise in capital expenditures. This growth is attributed to easing inflation, stabilization of supply chains, and investments in advanced technologies such as AI and automation. The shift towards nearshoring is also highlighted as a crucial strategy for enhancing supply chain resilience and regional economic growth. This point emphasizes the importance of understanding how trade dynamics can influence economic recovery and sectoral growth, particularly in manufacturing. 2. Technological integration and AI adoption. The integration of advanced technologies, particularly AI and generative AI, is a common theme across the manufacturing sector. Over 55% of surveyed manufacturers are already leveraging generative AI tools, indicating a strong trend toward digital transformation. However, the successful implementation of these technologies depends significantly on data quality and management, with nearly 70% of manufacturers citing data issues as a major obstacle to AI adoption. This highlights the critical role of technology in shaping industry dynamics and the challenges that come with it, providing a rich area for discussion on how manufacturers can strategically overcome these obstacles. 3. Supply chain resilience and challenges. Despite improvements in supply chain conditions since the COVID-19 pandemic, challenges remain due to geopolitical tensions, labor shortages, and rising input costs. Manufacturers continue to face elevated costs and a complex landscape influenced by external factors such as potential policy changes following elections. The shift from a primary focus on supply chain resilience to balancing cost optimization and resilience is notable. Exploring this point can lead to in-depth discussions on strategies that manufacturers can adopt to enhance their supply chain agility while managing costs effectively. 4. Impact of government policies in clean technology. Government policies such as the Inflation Reduction Act and incentives for clean technology are pivotal in shaping the trajectory of the manufacturing sector. These policies are expected to stimulate investment in clean technologies and sustainable practices, particularly in response to growing consumer demand for lower emission products. However, uncertainties surrounding future regulatory changes may lead manufacturers to adopt a cautious approach to investment in clean technologies. Analyzing the interplay between government policy, market demand, and investment decisions can provide valuable insights into the future of the manufacturing landscape and its implications for sustainability. These points collectively underscore the multifaceted nature of the anticipated shift in trade dynamics and its profound implications across the manufacturing, technology, and agriculture sectors, setting the stage for comprehensive analysis and discussion. 1. The Industrial Revolution, late 18th to early 19th century. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant turning point in history, transitioning economies from agrarian societies to industrial powerhouses. Innovations in manufacturing processes such as the steam engine and mechanized spinning and weaving revolutionized production methods. This period saw the rise of factories which consolidated labor and resources, leading to increased production capacity and efficiency. The shift in trade dynamics during this time not only impacted manufacturing but also transformed technology and agriculture, as new machinery improved productivity on farms and in factories. The resultant economic shifts led to urbanization and a redefined labor market, echoing themes of technological integration and workforce adaptation seen in the anticipated changes for 2025. 2. The Great Depression, 1929, late 1930s. The Great Depression was a global economic downturn that led to significant shifts in trade dynamics and industrial practices. The crash of the stock market in 1929 led to widespread business failures, bank closures, and skyrocketing unemployment, fundamentally altering manufacturing and technology sectors. Governments responded with policy changes, including the New Deal in the U.S., which aimed to stimulate economic recovery through infrastructure projects and support for agriculture. This period highlighted the interconnectedness of sectors. For instance, agricultural production plummeted, impacting food supply and trade. The focus on recovery and adaptation during the Great Depression resonates with current expectations of resilience and innovation as industries prepare for anticipated shifts by 2025. 3. The post-World War II economic boom 1945-1960s. Following World War II, many countries experienced significant economic growth known as the post-war economic boom. This era was characterized by increased consumer demand, technological advancements, and significant investments in manufacturing and infrastructure. The Marshall Plan, which provided aid for the reconstruction of Europe, facilitated trade and economic cooperation. The integration of new technologies such as automation and mass production techniques transformed manufacturing sectors, leading to higher efficiency and output. Meanwhile, agricultural practices evolved through mechanization and the introduction of synthetic fertilizers, enhancing productivity. This boom period underscores the importance of strategic investment and innovation in driving economic growth. Paralleling the anticipated shifts in trade dynamics and sectoral impacts by 2025. The anticipated 35% shift in trade dynamics by 2025 is expected to have profound implications for the manufacturing, technology, and agriculture sectors. This outlook integrates insights from various sources highlighting economic recovery, technological advancements, and evolving trade strategies. Manufacturing sector. The U.S. manufacturing sector is on the brink of significant recovery, with projections indicating a 4.2% increase in revenues and a 5.2% rise in capital expenditures by 2025. This optimism follows a challenging period marked by inflationary pressures and supply chain disruptions. The easing of these challenges, coupled with strategic investments in advanced technologies, is driving this expected growth. Key trends contributing to this rebound include: 1. Nearshoring and reshoring. Many manufacturers are relocating production closer to home to enhance supply chain resilience. This shift not only mitigates risks associated with global supply chains but also stimulates regional economic growth. 2. Technological adoption. The integration of AI, automation, and digital tools is transforming manufacturing operations. Over 55% of surveyed manufacturers are now employing generative AI, enhancing efficiency and customer service. 3. Investment in clean technologies. Federal incentives and a growing commitment to sustainability are driving investments in clean technology manufacturing, further boosting the sector's growth. Challenges. Despite positive projections, challenges remain, including a persistent skills gap and rising production costs. Manufacturers will need to focus on workforce development and managing costs effectively to sustain growth. Technology sector. The technology landscape is rapidly evolving, particularly within manufacturing. Companies are increasingly leveraging generative AI and advanced analytics to optimize operations and enhance customer service. However, the success of these technologies heavily relies on data quality, with nearly 70% of manufacturers identifying data management as a significant barrier to effective AI implementation. Future trends. 1. Increased AI integration. As the manufacturing sector embraces AI, companies will need to prioritize data quality and establish comprehensive strategies to maximize AI benefits. 2. Digital transformation. The ongoing shift towards digitalization will drive further investments in technologies that enhance operational efficiency and product innovation. Agriculture sector. While specific details on agriculture were less emphasized, the anticipated shift in trade dynamics is expected to indirectly benefit agricultural productivity. The growth in manufacturing and technology sectors will likely lead to increased consumer demand for durable goods and clean technologies, spurring agricultural innovation, particularly in sustainable practices. Economic and policy environment. The broader economic landscape is characterized by volatility due to policy uncertainty and geopolitical risks. The potential for lower interest rates may stimulate investment and consumer spending, further supporting manufacturing growth. However, manufacturers must remain vigilant to navigate the uncertainties posed by global events and domestic policy changes. Conclusion. In summary, the anticipated 35% shift in trade dynamics by 2025 presents a mixed bag of opportunities and challenges across the manufacturing, technology, and agriculture sectors. As manufacturers and related industries adapt to a changing economic landscape, the emphasis on resilience, innovation, and workforce development will be critical to navigating the complexities of the future. The collective movement towards advanced technologies and sustainability will not only redefine operational strategies but also shape the competitive landscape in the years to come.